How to serve divorce papers in California? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most important steps in the divorce process is properly serving your spouse with the divorce papers. If it's not done right, your case can be delayed or even rejected by the court. Here's how it works. After you file your initial documents, the petition, summons, and any required child custody forms, the court will return your filed copies with a case number. From there, your next step is to officially serve your spouse. This means giving them legal notice that the divorce has been filed. If your spouse is cooperative, the easiest way is to mail the paperwork along with a notice of acknowledgement and receipt, NAR. Your spouse signs and returns the NAR and you file it with the court. This method is clean, simple, and avoids the need for personal service. If your spouse won't cooperate or won't return the NAR, you'll need to arrange personal service. That means someone over the age of 18, who is not you, must hand deliver the documents. This could be a friend, relative, or a professional process server. Once service is complete, a proof of service of summons must be filed with the court to show it was done correctly. We recently worked with a client who tried to serve their spouse by email, thinking that was good enough. It wasn't. Their case was stalled for weeks until we stepped in, handled proper service, and got things back on track. At Divorce 661, we take care of the entire service process. Whether your spouse is cooperative or not, we'll make sure service is done legally and correctly, so your case moves forward without delay. If you filed for divorce in California and aren't sure how to serve your spouse, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through it or handle it for you, saving you time, stress, and frustration.